In this video, I will explain how to reserve a study room in MU's libraries. Study rooms are for Mizzou students and can be used for group or individual studying, projects, presentations, and more. Start by Googling library.missouri.edu and click the first link. On the library's homepage, scroll down to Quick Links to see Reserve a Study Room/info. The info link provides details about technology and resources available in each study room to suit specific needs. Study room policies are listed at the top of the page. Read through these to understand the expectations that ensure that all students can make the best of these resources. Scroll down to Study Room Features. The study rooms are separated into columns by floor and show what resources are available. Study rooms can come with a Solstice monitor, a whiteboard, or chalkboard. Go to the Checkout Information Desk for any necessary equipment that they may offer. You can scroll down further to see what study rooms are available at other MU library locations. To find the exact location of the room you want to reserve, scroll to the top of the page and click on Maps and Floor Plans. Once you get here, click on Ellis Library Main Library. Under Find Your Way around Ellis Library, there's an option to see the map of each floor in Ellis. Let's start by clicking on First Floor. A color-coded key is listed on the left side of the page. Study rooms are listed in purple, and the map shows where they are all located. The top right-hand side of the map also has a QR code to pull up the map on your mobile devices. Click the back arrow and go to Ellis Library Sensory Maps. The tabs on this page show the kinds of sensory spaces available in the library. They highlight quiet spaces, uncrowded spaces, and spaces with natural light on each floor. After looking through all the information the library has for each study room, you're ready to actually reserve your own study room. Go back to the library's homepage by clicking University Libraries, located in the top left-hand corner. Go back down to Quick Links and click on Reserve a Study Room. Use your normal MU username and password to log in. Scroll down to see the available rooms and times. Use the left or right arrow to show what date you'd like to make your reservation, and click the drop-down arrow to select which library you'd like to study in. The room numbers on the left also show how many people are allowed in each room. Let's start by selecting 2F22 at 9:30. Add a title to briefly explain your booking. We're going to say Studying. Put in the reservation start and end hours and make sure that the area, room, and type are all correct. The green check marks on the right of the Save button confirm if your booking is or is not in conflict with another booking. Select Save and your reservation is confirmed. Thank you for using this video tutorial and consult with a librarian for any needed help.